Good morning. My name is Vanessa Sandoval Palma. I'm studying in University Abierta a Distancia UNAD and Master in Administration and Organization. Tolu coveñas. These places are spectacular to spend a crazy family vacations where they will enjoy the Colombia and landscapes and our fauna. Tolu als snow explicitly as la villa tres veces coronada de Santiago de Tolu is a Colombian municipality located on the Caribbean coast in the center of the foot of Morroquillo in the department of Sucre. Coveñas is a tourist city in the Gulf of Morroquillo in North Colombia. It is known for its lawns with calm and shallow water. The primera Ensenada, which is a center of water sports. To the north of the city, the Ciénaga de la Caimanera is a coastal lagoon with abundant fauna and a natural reserve with mangroves, alligator, and a variety of fish and weed. To the south is the town of Santander, is known of the annual Junket Festival. This trip which lasts 3 days and those which the direct trip for Ibagué to Tolu and Coveñas which take 15 hours, 57 minutos, bis boats. The means of transport that with the use of the tour is the tourist which and the boats to walk of the bed. The first day, the tourist place to with the visitors were the bus left at 6 a.m. and walk arrived in the Tolu in 16 hours 52 minutos. At 10 at night, rest in the hotel. The time is decided for the rest of the tourists. The next day at 6:30 a.m. and the hotel work enjoy breakfast and lunch. At 8 de la mañana, I work the starting the hour of Coveñas Beach. Incursión do de San Bernardo archipiélago both with a panoramic tour of the islet of this archipiélago. Casa de agua typical islote de Santa Cruz. Visit to Titipan Isla with look of the beach. The hotel has a room with a combination and private bathroom, which pool facing the beach, jacuzzi facing the beach, and at 10 you can enjoy a dinner and the hotel and tourist which can go to visit one of the typical Coveñas night clubs. Among the traditional dishes the Toludeñas try students of which as rice with coconut, fruit, salad, and patacones, which are fries, crushed, patacones, split, licking wet, the definite seafood scurtai are popular for which sbrit, snail, lobster, oyster, and chippy chippy, and loaves of the biwat.